So that is this Serum right here. That sounds a lot cooler than I remembered it. I got some overdrive EQ on it, turn that off. So let's check out what this is made of. So this sound, let's see. I got a filter on there. Okay, this is like a low pass square, and I'm using sync window full to kind of like fade the edges and make it more of like a even harmonic-y sawtooth sound. So I just want to hear what this sounds like without all of this junk on it.
It's true to form with you, dude, where like the beginning of the sound just sounds terrible. And then
I mean, how I'm walking through the sound, disclaimer, is not necessarily a representation of my workflow. A lot of times it's like doing effects and then backtracking and affecting the oscillator kind of thing. But yeah, so yeah, we got this low pass saw sound with a little bit of a pluck on the very small 24 millisecond decay pitch modulation. I added a triangle wave. It's a little bit detuned sounding because I have the fine down like -8. I just wanted to give it a little bit more of like a fullness. Delay. I'm not using ping pong. I'm using the right channel is dotted eighth and the left channel is quarter notes. Reverb. Multiband. EQ. Just to cut out those lows. And then I had this filter on here. But what's going on is I have LFO2 modulating the pan position and the cutoff. So that's why it has like that stereo phasery effect. I have overdrive that's being automated. Yeah, and in the section further down the line, it gets more intense. And then EQ8 cutting off some of those extra low frequencies. You know what?
I love the wetness of that sound, like underwater.
Yeah, this whole song is basically like an underwater theme, hence the name. That's what it is.